Hey there, in this video I'm going to walk you through my email secrets review. I'll show you inside of the members area. I will walk you through what you can expect to get if you buy this and some of the tips and tricks you'll learn. I'll also cover who this is really for and definitely watch this to the end to find out if you're in that category. It's not for everyone, just FYI. Hey there, it's Kim Wolf here with affiliatemarketinginformant.com, informing you of everything you need to know and want to know about affiliate marketing. If this video helps you out in any way, definitely give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and definitely comment below and tell me where you are in your affiliate marketing journey, and definitely let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you out. So before I walk you through the members area, let's cover what is email success secrets. So it is a training course on how to build an email list, how to write emails that sell, and get delivered into inboxes. What you get inside of the platform area are going to be a total of 14 videos, almost 3.5 hours of training, and broken up into specific categories. So you're going to have some videos around the topic of list building strategies, so how to add people to your list. You're going to have videos on how to write those emails so that they convert, get people to click, and also get people to go to your sales page. And then you'll have a set of videos that ensure getting your emails into inboxes. So there are folders called spam folders, and there are also folders called promotion folders in Gmail. And a lot of times if your emails get sent to those, they're not seen. So you're going to learn some tips and tricks on how to avoid those inboxes, how to get into the inbox, which should help your open rate and essentially your conversion rate. So here's an actual walkthrough and demo of email success secrets. So when you log into the platform after you buy the front end offer, you will have this welcome video here. So this is Eric Hammer, who actually just introduces you to the product and what you can expect. When you scroll down here, these are the videos that I was talking about. So you're going to have 3 videos around list building here. Then you're going to have 4 videos around writing emails, and then 3 videos around inboxing. And additionally, you'll have the bonuses. I'm going to come back to that. I'll definitely touch on that. I also want to show you that within the training area and the videos, you will have relevant links. So when he talks about specific strategies, he actually includes links to those strategies. So this is pretty good. So in building a list method number 2, he actually talks the strategy about how to use Warrior Plus to build your email list. And so he gives you a link here to actually go and sign up to Warrior Plus after you watch the video. So it's actually a pretty interesting trick. I've heard it before, and so it is not surprising that he talks about that. For list building method number 1, this is actually going to be an interesting trick too. This actually covers a Facebook strategy and how to use Facebook to find qualified leads. It's actually a really interesting strategy. If you look at the sales page, you will actually see one of the testimonials talks about how that strategy alone is worth the price of the course. And so under here, you can see that list building method number 3, he covers Muncheye and how to use a particular strategy there to build your list. So he links off to Muncheye. And then you'll see the same sort of scenario as you go through all of the videos. So this is really good in my opinion. So when he gets into the inboxing part, which is getting your email into the inbox and preventing it from going to spam and preventing it from going from promotions and not being seen, he gives you links to free tools. So these are actually pretty good quality. So here's one of the tools. This is the email deliverability tester. So when you watch the video, you'll actually see that, and then he links you to relevant tools to help you out with that particular strategy he's taught you. So that's actually pretty good. I think that's a pretty good quality with the training. Not only do you get pretty solid training, but you get links to free tools to help you out with the training. And these are tried and true strategies that he's used. So he typically has money amounts around them. He can tell you how they work for him and back it up by numbers, which is good. You want that when you're learning anything sort of in a training material. You want to know whether it works or not, and will it work for you. So I actually want to walk you through the training and the strategies that he teaches you and where it fits, how it fits into sort of the big scheme of things when you're doing affiliate marketing or online marketing in general. So if you look here, so we mentioned that you've got basically 3 sets, three categories of what he teaches you. So for the list building methods, that's going to be a traffic strategy. So the idea is that it's ways to actually go find people to add to your list. So you find qualified people and you actually send them to a landing page, an email capture page, get their email address, and then you actually send them emails. So the second category series of videos is around email writing. So this is going to help you out with the email part. Once you get them into your email list, the idea is that you will write really good emails to get them to click to the sales pages. And then the third category series of videos is going to be the inboxing method, which is making sure that your emails are seen. So that's how the strategies sort of fit in the overall funnel that you're going to create for your customers for affiliate marketing or any kind of product you have, even if it's your own product for online marketing. So Eric Hammer is the guy behind this course. He is known as the man in the hat. If you actually listen to his training videos, you will learn that he's now branding that. He's always wearing the hat. He wears a hat in every training video. He wears a hat in his YouTube videos, and he has basically incorporated that name, man in the hat. He's got a website name, a domain name for that, etc. So if you see that in the future, the man in the hat, or the man with the hat, that's going to be Eric Hammer. It's become sort of his branding thing. So it's an interesting thing to know about him. So Eric Hammer has definitely released a few products. He's got 9 products on Warrior Plus. And one thing I wanted you to know about him is that he is in the top 25% of vendors. So his products do pretty well as far as sales on Warrior Plus. He's also a top 25% affiliate. So those are good stats to know about him, sort of his accomplishments. And obviously that sort of backs up that he does this for a living and that he's pretty successful at it. So before you buy, it's really important to know who this course is for and who it is not for. So in my opinion, it's not for beginners. It's going to be for intermediate and advanced online marketers who are really focused on building their email list. The reason I say it's not for beginners is because that the strategies taught are going to take time. They definitely require time and repetition over and over and over again for them to work. They can be completely overwhelming for a complete beginner. This course has the high potential to being a shiny object syndrome. If you're in that case, if you're a complete beginner and you can't wrap your head around all the strategies and they seem a little too complicated at first, then you're going to end up buying this course and not actually using it. However, the course is worth every penny, in my opinion. It's a really, really steal of a price. But you need to be focused and you need to be ready to learn and apply the strategies learned. That's the only way you're going to get the value out of this course. And in my opinion, someone who has had some experience and just has not found success yet, but really wants to hone in on the email strategies, that's going to be a good fit for this course. So if you are completely beginning and you're just learning, I don't recommend this course for you. So after going through all of the training, here is what I like. These tips are solid and they're obviously from his experience. So he talks about stories within the training and talks about numbers as well. So he provides a lot of numbers, sort of back up his scenarios and his strategies and why he's doing it and how it's worked for him. And so I really did like that about him. And the stories are obviously, you can tell those are his real stories and he's not faking it. So he seems to be genuine in that respect. So having gone through the course, these are a lot of the notes that I took and they're really good. So some of the things that you'll learn about, they're all around email. Remember that. So he talks about how people use bucks instead of the dollar sign because this has a tendency to actually end you up into the promotions folder. Also, if you spell the word out, bucks, B-U-C-K-S, that can end up in your folder. So using this B-U-X as a version of bucks instead actually has a tendency to get you into the inbox. Free, using the word just free as it's spelled correctly, can actually end you up in the promotions box. But if you do free with a bunch of E's, that actually tends to end up in the inbox. So you can see here I had lots of good notes from his training with solid tips. And here's an example of an email actually using one of these tricks right here. You see the $100. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And this is not the same marketer as Eric Hammer. This is a completely different marketer using the same trick that he's teaching, which basically does tell me that those strategies work if other people are using them as well. So inside of the membership training area, you are going to get 4 bonuses. In addition to that, you have an additional page that links out to more bonuses. There are at least 30 bonuses on that page alone. And out of those 30 bonuses, it comes with Unstoppable, which is $9.95 on Warrior Plus if you would go buy it today. And that comes free inside of 30 bonuses. So here's the review of the bonuses. So this is inside of the members area. So you have the 3 category series of topics that we reviewed earlier. So that's the main training. Then you have 4 different additional trainings here so that you get a case study. You have a video around timing and basically tips and tricks around timing, around when to send your emails, a tiny change that can actually improve your open rates and your conversion rates, and done for you squeeze pages. So he actually has provided ready to go squeeze pages that you can use, and he shows you how to use them. So that's inside the members training area. Here is the link for even more bonuses. So if you click on it, it's going to take you into another page with, like I said, about 30 plus more bonuses. So the traffic multiplier, video creation mastery, and you just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. So in my opinion, this is a lot of cool bonuses that actually come with your purchase of the email success secrets. Definitely worth it in my opinion for sure. The best place to learn more about what the bonuses really entail, it's going to be the sales pages. If you scroll down at the bottom, you're going to see this with the insane in bonuses. So it talks about the social media mastery course that you saw, the video creation mastery, the traffic multiplier, how to create bonuses. So just to be honest, I did not see this bonus, so maybe it's named as something else, but this is the only one that I did not see. I saw all of these other bonuses that you get and more. So there's definitely a lot more behind the scenes than he actually alludes to here. So here's what I don't like about email success secrets is, first off, in one of the early videos around the traffic methods, he actually talks about you can use solo ads as an option. Solo ads, especially if you're a beginner, they're not a good option for beginners. They can be really expensive and they can actually provide you with really low quality leads. So he talks about them as he's gotten success from that. So sure, maybe he has that. However, if someone new is listening to that and takes his recommendation, just be prepared and warned that solo ads can actually take a lot of money. Anything paid ad, if you don't know what you're doing, can definitely blow your money faster than you actually see it come back. So, anything paid is not a recommended tactic as a beginner. Learn what you're doing. Try a free organic traffic source simply because you can learn how to do this online marketing stuff. You build the skills and then you know how to talk to about it with confidence and give other people confidence that you know what you're talking about. The second thing is that he promotes and participates in affiliate contests with other affiliate marketers that do not have really good reputations. They have reputations of promoting and recommending to you sort of crappy products that you don't need. So here is one of his leaderboard sort of contest that he's on, and just letting you know that a lot of these products you actually don't need, and sometimes they don't actually work. They don't work as intended. Some additional things that you may not like, that the trainings are unscripted. So he just kind of goes with the flow and hit the video recording and just tells you about the specific topic of the video. Some people may not like that. Personally, it did not bother me at all, but just FYI, just know that, that's sort of his style and just be prepared for that. Second is slow loading time. So in the beginning videos, he definitely had some slow loading times, which meant when he was trying to show you things, it just took longer to load. So it just sort of drew the video timing out. So just be prepared for that. It's not the end of the world, but it's something that, if you're expecting, high quality professional scripted video training, this is not for you. So here's the price of Email Success Secret. So during the launch of November 4th through the 9th in 2020, it starts out to be $8.95 and then goes into a dime sale after 24 hours. So right now, I think it's at $11.95. After the launch is over, it's going to be regular price $19.95. So there may be some additional promotions after this where they bring the price down. Honestly, I think still for $20, if you're really looking for strategies that other affiliate marketers are using that work for them, I think it's a good course for you, regardless of the price here that you have to pay for it. So there are going to be OTOs available, but in my opinion, they're not needed for you. So the first sort of upsell is going to be 100 days of emails. In my opinion, I think you can just be good with buying the front end course. But if you're interested in getting email swipes, this is going to be the upsell for you. The second upsell is going to be his newsletter, so you can get actually his 30-page newsletter every month. It is a monthly recurring subscription fee. If you're interested in that, you can definitely buy it and try it out. And OTO number 3 is going to be stealing Eric's money. So it's basically getting approval to promote all of his products and offers. You buy into that, and then you could actually buy additional sort of packages to be able to get higher commission. So overall, definitely give this a thumbs up. I think it's solid information, tips, and tricks that really will help you build an email list when you're ready to focus on that, when you're to that step. As a complete beginner, you're not going to be ready for that. You want to do something really simple, really learn how to do the landing page, a simple email sort of campaign, and then do that over and over. Really focus on the traffic part to getting people into your funnel. That's really where the money comes from, is the traffic. So that should always be your main focus. If you want to try out the strategies talked about, just know that that's going to be your only focus for a while. So it's not recommended that you go and do a website and YouTube and his strategies. It's going to be too much for you. So hopefully this helps you out. If you're serious about succeeding with affiliate marketing, definitely check my training link below. It's hands down the best free training I've found for you yet. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.